To get best Turo coupon codes or promo code, you have to simply search the same on your browser and then click on the first website, that is Coupon Follow. This website is the most trusted website on browser that you can find free coupons for your website. Click on any of the coupon you like 35% off, 5% off. I will click on show promo code option and the promo code will be appeared. I simply have to copy it and paste it. Now, second website is insider.com. This is also the second best website to find discount and promo codes. Click any one of the promo code and then click on the copy code option just like that you have done in the previous website. And this is like that. This is the third website, that is wired.com. Here also you can view the offers and simply select any of the promo code for your compatibility or any one of you like it. So this is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to this channel for watching such updates and reviews like that.